Step 7. Here is the code. This code is looping through a data frame called token_df, which presumably contain information about token. For each row of data_df, it does the following. 1. Retrieve a token value from current row. Second, creates a data frame named final_df with specific column names. Third, set a start date and enter a loop that fetches data from financial API for that token in chunks for 30 days until it reaches an end date. And fourth, save the processed data frame as a CSV file with a file name based on the token's symbol. In this code, under while loop, the value of this URL variable is a financial API. Let's switch to your Zerodha account. Here in your Zerodha account, open the developer tool, switch to the network tab. If needed, just refresh the browser and all the required information will be available. Check the log related to minute. On the right side of minute log, search for the part text and copy the value next to it. Get back to your Jupyter notebook. Paste the value over here and let's mark it as comment. Here if you see 779521 is your token value, minute is your time frame, user ID is your login user ID to your Zerodha account, from and to is your start date and to date respectively. Before executing this cell, make sure you are always logged into your Zerodha account. Let's execute now this cell. As you can see, it has downloaded all the data of the Grasim from your Zerodha account and it has saved in a CSV file. Let's open this CSV file, A drive, list, and here is your CSV file. And now it's running for the SBIN, same code. See, it has completed the procedure. And in the directory, we are left with 2 files. It has downloaded the data from 1st January 2021 till 10th March 2024.